Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to use this watch. First I'm gonna show you how to turn on and how to turn off this watch. To turn it on, press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Then you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And we're in the system, and that's how you turn on this watch. To turn it off, you can press and hold the crown button, keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen. And once you see the power menu, you can tap on power off option and then tap on it again to turn off this watch. But I don't want to do it now, so I'm just gonna go back to home screen. Now I'm gonna show you how to navigate on this watch. Basically, how to go back, open the menu, open the settings and stuff like that. To open the menu on your watch, you can wake up the screen, and once you're on the home screen, you can press the crown button to open the menu. And here you can scroll through the list of options by swiping on the screen. And let's say you want to open the settings, you can tap on the settings icon to open the settings. And here we have a list of settings we can customize. To go back on this watch, you can swipe right on the screen. So let's say you are in the menu and you want to go back to the previous one, you just swipe right and it will basically move you back to the place you were before. If you want to go straight to home screen from some menu, you press the crown button like that. And more things you can do is to open some interesting menus. For example, when you're on the home screen, you can open the quick panel, and here we have shortcuts for the do not disturb mode, flashlight, sleep, drain the speaker, lock screen and settings, alarm of course. Another interesting menu is the notification panel. So if you swipe up on the home screen, it will open the notifications, and here you can check the notifications from your phone if your watch is paired with a phone. And the other menu you can open is the cards, basically widgets. So if you swipe left on the home screen, here we have the cards, and we have like activity records, heart rate and other stuff, weather, date and music controls, workouts, moon phase and some heart rate. And what you can do in this menu is also you can add, remove and move the cards in this menu. So if you press and hold on one of the cards to enter the edit mode, here you can add, remove and move the cards. So if you want to remove the card, you can tap on bin icon, and it will disappear. To add the card, you can tap on the plus, find the card on the list, and then tap on the add under it to add it to the list. Here we have it. And if you want to move it to the other position on the list, you can press and hold on the card and then move it to the place you want it to be in. And then you can press the crown button to apply the changes. And another thing you can do is to start the workouts, stop them, stuff like that. So to open the workout menu, you can do it in a couple of ways. You can either open the menu and then tap on the workout icon, or you can press the lower button right here once you're on the home screen to open the workout menu. And also some watch faces have this workout button. You can tap on it to open the workout menu. And once you're in the workout menu, you can simply find the workout you want to start. And to start it, you tap on the workout and then press the lower button and tap on start to start the workout. And once you start the workout, you can do a couple of things. You can pause it, you can stop it. You can also check some stats like here. We have the heart rate, pace, calories, and you can scroll down and you have different stats like that. To pause it, you press the crown button.
Workout paused.
To stop the workout, you tap on the stop button. To resume it, you press the crown button again.
Workout resumed.
You can also lock the screen during the workout, so
Workout resumed.
you won't miss touch on the screen when you're in the workout.
Positioning signal. Workout paused.
You can also increase or lower the volume for the broadcast. And once you're done with the workout, like I mentioned before, you can tap on the stop button right here to stop it. And I believe I showed you the basics on how to use this watch, and that's how you navigate or use this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.